고다만 해서 우리 만들세. 가짜 줄세 마음 못 말이야.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good morning to all of you from Pasighat. So freaking windy because we are staying in Migung Resort, which is just by the river. That's the Siang River. I guess they're building some more cottages here. Check it out. कल like 5 बजे तक पहुंच गए थे हम यहाँ. Wow, so windy. जब तक हम कल पहुंच गए थे, it was very dark, तो हम कुछ दिखा नहीं पाए. And we knew we were just by the river because it's written in the signboard outside. तो कल dinner winner करके हम लोग सो ही गए. We wanted to ride early today, but fortunately or unfortunately, whatever you say, we were offered complimentary breakfast in this hotel. तो हम लोग breakfast करके जाएंगे. 7:30 से चालू होता है. 7:30 में ही breakfast करके निकल जाएंगे to Yingkiong. Rooms are pretty nice. अभी दिखाएंगे आपको room का tour. This is the room we are staying in. Bijay has gone to the toilet, so I won't be able to show you the toilet. हम लोग का helmet यहीं पे है. We have only this luggage. ये इसमें मेरा कैमरा है और कुछ नहीं. हम लोगों ने तो कपड़ा वपड़ा भी कुछ नहीं लाया. ऐसे ही आ गए. We thought it would be a day's journey. जाके फिर वापस आ जाएंगे, but since it got late, हम लोग निकले थे करीब 11 बजे 12 बजे. तिनसुकिया से बाइक रेंट करके वहाँ में भी थोड़ा टाइम गया और फिर वैसे ही लेट होके जैसे तैसे निकल गए. We knew we won't be able to cover it in a day. तो इसीलिए थोड़ा प्लान्स में भी चेंज किया कि we won't just visit Pasighat. We'll go ahead to Yingkiong. Tuting तक तो नहीं जा सकते. It will take a lot of time and विजय का फ्लाइट है कल शाम को. तो हमें जैसे भी हो आज के अंदर घर पहुंचना है दुलियाजान.
So we have parked our bikes out here. We can see that the resort has been decorated well for the upcoming Christmas celebrations. Here you can see the exteriors of this beautiful building. Now since we both woke up early in the morning, we thought to take a stroll outside and check out the riverside of Siang. As far as my opinion is concerned, यहाँ पे family को बिल्कुल लाया जा सकता है. It's a very beautiful place. बट प्रॉब्लम बस एक ही है कि हवाएं बहुत चलती है, विच एक्चुअली मेक्स यू फील वेरी कोल्ड. अगर आप आना चाहते हो तो विंटर क्लोथ्स ज़रूर पैक करके लाइए.
Breakfast time. Bijay bodailla.
Start going to the place.
Alright, everything check. We are heading to Yingkiong now. That's the hotel in wide angle. It's called Migung Riverside Resort. We parked our bikes here. It's Bijay getting ready for the ride. You ready? তেল ভৰাই লৈ যাওঁ নেকি ন? তোমাৰ ভৰাবলগীয়া আছে জানো তেল? ফুল টেংক মই ভৰাই ল'ম নেকি? পামেই অঁ. करो. Back on the road to Yingkiong. Yingkiong के बाद Tuting पाया जाता है, but we won't go till Tuting. Yingkiong headquarters itself only. Guys, we have reached Yingkiong, but we took a little diversion before we hit the city or the town, and we have reached this paddy field. We're planning to go through this route. एक चक्कर लगा के आएंगे. We met a local guy. He said, ऐसे घूम के ऐसे खेती देख के आ सकते हो. So we'll go, put on the GoPro, and let's enjoy. अब थोड़ा आपको यिंकियोंग के खेतियों के बीच सैर कराते हैं. It's completely an off-road trail, man. हार्वेस्टिंग तो हो गया है. एक आध घर भी है खेत के बीचों बीच. Lot of cows grazing. This is a village near Yingkiong. It is the suburbs of Yingkiong. Yingkiong headquarters थोड़ा आगे है और like 5 kilometers आगे. हम लोग ने एक छोटा सा डिटूर लेके एक खेत के बीचों बीच आ गए हैं. Just to admire its beauty, man. Check out the mountains. You can see here, guys, in Yingkiong people practice this kind of step farming for the paddy fields. काफ़ी बड़ा है, बहुत बड़ा इलाका है. यहाँ से और जा सकते हैं लेकिन नीचे जा रहा है. I don't want to go lower. अभी हम लोग को यिंकियोंग टाउन भी पहुँचना है तो we'll go back. विजय वहीं पे रुक गया. He's busy taking pictures. There seems to be a fishery as well out here. As you can see, there's a milestone written Yingkiong 5 kilometers. This is NH 513. We went this way, right inside the gate, and we saw the entire paddy field. वहीं जाके थोड़ा घूम फिर के we are back. I'm waiting for Bijoy to come back, and then we will head to Yingkiong. We got into this Sis Cafe for some coffee. खाना खाने का होटल मिला नहीं था. We thought of taking a break and grabbing a coffee with some baked items. Okay, so we have officially entered Yingkiong. We won't be doing much here. We'll have our lunch somewhere good, and then okay, here's the town. We'll have a lunch and we'll head back by 12 o'clock. Hopefully we reach Dibrugarh by 6:37, something like that. It's not a very big town, not a very small town. It's okay. And yes, I'm running out of battery from my GoPro. One battery down, it's the last one, and I am up. I have nearly 20% or 25% of charge left. So I'll vlog it from my Fujifilm, but GoPro won't be working for me now anymore. So we are stopping by at this cafe, Siang View Cafe. I love Yingkiong. Let's check out the view. Oh, this is a nice place to sit with a beautiful view. Let's get inside. That's the Yingkiong town. Let's zoom in a bit. Right next to the river Siang, orange का farm. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी अपना lunch करेंगे. We will have our lunch here, and यहाँ से सीधा back to दुलियाजान. We won't be stopping anywhere. बस थोड़ा break, अगर थक गए तो break लेंगे. Otherwise सीधा back to home. GoPro को चार्ज में लगा दिया क्योंकि दोनों बैटरी ख़त्म हो गया. ये इस बैटरी में थोड़ा चार्ज था और थोड़ा करके we'll get you some more footages.
खाना आ गया guys. Pork. This is why we came to Arunachal. है ना विजय?
यस लेकिन 2 दिन में बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया पोक.
We came here all the way from Assam just to have pork because Assam में pork मिल नहीं रहा है. That's the Siang River. Let's keep going. These are some really well maintained roads, man. Awesome to ride here. Weekend ride के लिए सही है यार. Right now we are heading back to Pasighat and we are nearing Mariang. This is one place where you can get petrol. A fuel pump is available. Next you will get in Inkyong. Before Mariang, it's only Pasighat where you can refuel. Check out the view, guys. Crossing Damro. I think this is Damro. Check that in the front. Beautiful. Mithun. Seems like something is going on. Okay, must be drilling the stones. Check it out. What a road, man, what a road. We are heading downhill right now. Until Pasighat it is downhill. थोड़ा मोड़ा incline मिलता है, लेकिन mostly it's downhill. All the contractors of Sibsagar, Narayanpur, Tinsukia, check out this road. इतने ऊंचाई में इतना मज़ेदार रोड बना के रखा है. आप लोग वहाँ प्लेन्स में भी you cannot maintain the road. थोड़ा सीखो भाई लोग, थोड़ा सीखो. Just halted to attend the nature's call. Continuing with the ride to Pasighat. Nearly 30-35 kilometers left to reach Pasighat. Awesome roads, man. Pretty nice circuit for a weekend ride or a drive. Family लेके भी आ सकते हैं. काफ़ी अच्छे hotels है. The cafe we halted in Inkyong had also a few rooms for rent. One can even stay there with an awesome view. सही है जगह, बढ़िया है. Full satisfied. Okay, sun is setting right now and we are about to reach Pasighat, like nearly 20 kilometers more. घर पहुँचते I think 8 बज जाएगा, 8 PM. No problem. That's the Siang getting broader near Pasighat. We are very near to Pasighat, nearly 10-15 minutes. Having a pit stop. Migung. Migang na Migung. Okay, rest stops over. Let's keep going. Now no more stopping in Pasighat. We are going to stop straight at Silapathar. We have to cross Pasighat, then Junai, and then Silapathar. Then we take a left to the Bogibeel Bridge. Crossing the Bogibeel Bridge, we will reach Dibrugarh. From Dibrugarh, we'll be heading to Tinsukia, and we will return the rented bike that Bijoy is riding, and we'll head back home on my bike. Entering Pasighat town right now. We can also go the other way around where we came from. The time difference is not much. You can count it in minutes. But we don't want to go on the same route. So we'll be heading towards Silapathar and Bogibeel. That's the Siang. Check it out. It's almost dark now. We are crossing Junai. Roads are under construction here. So very dusty. And a lot of diversions. Had a little tea stop at Pappu Hotel. Bijoy is getting ready. A little stretching before we move again. Let's go. At the Bogibeel Bridge right now, it's too dark. All these are speed detectors. That is why we are trying to keep the speed limit. Not just us, everybody is trying to keep the speed limit. Bijoy in front of me doing the same, maintaining the speed limit. The moon is quite bright today. Can you see it? Well, I can see the river, but I don't think the camera can capture it. This is the Balaji temple. Yeah, we are near Khonikor. Bijoy is checking on his fuel. I think he needs to fuel up. Fog attack, man, fog attack. Visibility is very low, but we are not reducing our speed.
Reviews করিম মানে পেড নকৰো
হ্যাঁ পেড কৰি লাভ নাই
পেড কৰি লাভ নাই মানে
আনবায়াসড হলে ভাল লাগে চাই
মানে এটো অথেন্টিক থম আৰু অনেষ্ট থম মানে
হ্যাঁ
ঠিক আছে দাদা
ঠিক আছে লগ পাম দিয়া So big wheels it is. We have reached Tinsukia. Heading back to Duliajan on one bike. Bye Donald. Etia map sabo lagibo ni na paiba efale left bye camera agot koi dia. How was the ride?
Great.
Kaile jaba ke godhuli
কাইলে দুপৰীয়া এটা বজাত ওলাই দিম আৰু এয়াৰপৰ্ট
ঠিক আছে safe journey kaile karne. Alright, heading to my home right now. Time is 8:25.